Hello and welcome to The Line of Sight. Here are the top stories of the day. Union Cabinet announces merger of MTNL and BSNL. Karnataka Congress leader DK Shivkumar gets bail in money laundering case. Hindu group leader Kamlesh Tiwari stabbed 15 times before being shot. Jammu court orders FIR against special investigation team members who probed Kathua rape and murder case. Pranab Mukherjee expresses concern over increase in violence rising out of differences. Hong Kong government decides to withdraw the extradition bill that sparked protests. Former Indian captain Sourav Ganguly takes over as BCCI president. The Union Cabinet has announced the merger of MTNL and BSNL in a bid to strengthen the telecom sector. The move comes at a time when both the public sector companies are facing financial stress. The government said that it will invest 15,000 crore rupees through sovereign bonds. Telecom Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad added that assets worth 38,000 rupees will be monetized. The government also proposed a voluntary retirement scheme for MTNL BSNL staff, which will cost the exchequer 29,937 crore rupees. Karnataka Congress leader DK Shivkumar, who was lodged in Tihar jail in connection with money laundering case on September 3, has been given bail. The court said that he cannot tamper evidences as the case documents are with investigating agencies and there is no proof to show that he influenced witnesses in the case. The postmortem report of murdered Hindu Samaj Party leader Kamlesh Tiwari revealed that he was stabbed 15 times and shot once in his head. 2 deep cut marks were also found on his neck. Earlier, on October 22nd, 2 main accused in the case were arrested by the Gujarat Anti-Terrorism Squad. A local court in Jammu has directed police to fire an FIR against 6 members of the Special Investigation Team which investigated the Kathua case involving the rape and murder of an 8-year-old girl. The order comes 4 months after 6 people were convicted. Probe will be conducted against the state crime branch, including former SP of Jammu and Kashmir Police. Former President Pranab Mukherjee expressed concern over increase in violence arising out of differences among people while delivering a lecture at the Northeast Institute of Advanced Studies on its foundation day. He also said that Indians should free public discourse from all forms of violence. Hong Kong authorities have decided to withdraw the unpopular extradition bill which sparked months of protests. The proposed bill would have allowed Hong Kong to extradite criminal suspects to places it does not have an extradition treaty with, including the mainland China, Taiwan and Macau. Hundreds and thousands of people have been protesting in Hong Kong against this bill for over months. Former Indian skipper Sourav Ganguly took over as the 39th president of BCCI.
It's been a great team, to be honest. The way they have played cricket in the last 3-4 years, they've been a fantastic side. Yes, you can say they haven't won a World Cup, but you don't win World Cups every time. Performance is the most important thing, and that's what will decide the future of Indian cricket. And Virat Kohli is the most important man in this entire context. So we'll be there to support him. We'll listen to him because I've been a captain myself and I understand from that position.
Ganguly is the first Indian cricketer after the Maharaja of Vijayanagaram, Gajapati Raju, to become the president of the board. Ganguly, who will have a term of 9 months, was elected unanimously. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to the Federal's YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn.